Ano? Pandesal na naman yung gusto mo. Bakit? This is my food. I already gave you a treat. Tama na yung pandesal. That's enough. What? What is that? Gagalit na naman yan. Ba't nagagalit na naman yan? It's my pandesal, not yours. It's mine, not yours. Lagi man yan high blood. Kahit hindi naman yan sa'yo, sa akin man yan. Ano? Galit na naman yan. Ikaw lang talaga laging galit. Oh. Sige, yaw-yaw pa. Ay, Diyos ko. Ano yun? Bakit na naman laging galit yan? Tama na. We already give you pandesal a while ago.
Same, I did too.
It's bad. Too much. Plus you got your treat. That's enough. Huh? Diyos ko. Papakaawa talaga yan. Kulang na lang magsalita eh. That's enough. Tama na. Tama na. Behave na. Behave na. I already gave you a while ago. One more? Yeah, say like this. Dali na.
Wait,
Okay.
what me? What did I do?
What? Say it. Action. Na. Like that. Tama na. Tama na. Laway na yarn. We already gave you too much. You're gonna throw up. Yes, you're gonna throw up. Oops. Talagang tinapatan mo na, ha? Talagang tinapatan mo na. That's enough na. Talagang ayaw papayag. Ay ba nag-high blood na yan? Parang kang buang. High blood na yan agad. O ba mas matapang pa? Mas matapang pa. Tama na.